Imagine stepping into a world where luxury doesn't wait for you at a destination. It travels with you. Imagine cruising down an empty highway at sunset with soft pink skies glowing through the windows and the quiet hum of an ultra-smooth engine beneath your feet. Now, imagine all of this happening inside something that feels less like an RV and more like a floating luxury penthouse designed by Lexus. Because today, you're about to see something completely different, something the RV world has simply never seen before. Welcome to the 2026 Lexus SkyHome RV, a machine so advanced, so elegant, and so unbelievably refined that it's not just an RV, it's a moving sanctuary. Welcome back to DriveX Media, your home for deep dives into the most luxurious and groundbreaking motorhomes in the world. And today's feature might be the most stunning one yet. Lexus has decided to enter the motorhome world with a vision that pushes the boundaries of style, comfort, and technology to their absolute limit. So get comfortable, because what you're about to experience is beyond anything you've seen on wheels. The moment the Lexus SkyHome comes into view, you know immediately this isn't a normal motorhome. The exterior is shaped with the same philosophy Lexus uses for their flagship LS sedan. Bold lines, sculpted curves, and a presence that feels effortlessly premium. But scaled up to RV proportions, the design becomes something breathtaking. The front showcases a massive illuminated Lexus spindle grille, reshaped into a futuristic diamond pattern that glows softly at night. The LED headlights are razor thin, almost like eyes, and they blend into sweeping daytime running lights that run across the front like floating blades of light. Down the sides, the entire profile is smooth and sculpted, with flush-mounted tinted windows that feel like they belong on a private jet. Chrome accents outline the silhouette, and the body sits on enormous 24-inch Lexus Aero wheels that shimmer with a brushed metal finish. The rear carries a floating full-width LED light bar with Lexus's signature triple L pattern, giving the SkyHome a clean and futuristic presence that stands out on every road. But the beauty doesn't stop there, because the SkyHome isn't just about looks. Lexus designed this RV with an advanced hybrid electric powertrain capable of delivering over 500 horsepower with perfect smoothness. The electric motors provide instant torque, while the quiet hybrid system ensures long-distance performance with exceptional efficiency. The entire driving experience is built on Lexus's smoothness-first philosophy. Zero vibration, zero harshness, just pure, silent luxury gliding across the highway. The suspension constantly adjusts to the road surface using Lexus's adaptive glide control, giving passengers a ride so soft and stable it feels like floating. And now, the magic begins the moment the door opens. The entrance itself is like stepping into a luxury airport lounge. A wide automated step lowers itself gently, and soft ambient lights glow beneath your feet. The interior welcomes you with warm beige leather, handcrafted wooden panels, and soft gold accents. Lexus calls this design theme Floating Zen, and it really does feel like a peaceful retreat wrapped inside a futuristic home. As you enter the SkyHome, the front lounge immediately takes your breath away. Two ultra-luxurious captain seats swivel around to face a massive L-shaped sofa covered in premium semi-aniline leather. The stitching is intricate, the seats are plush, and there's a calming atmosphere created by Lexus's signature Japanese-inspired ambient lighting. Above you, a panoramic smart windshield flows up into the ceiling, giving you a wide, open view of the world outside. With a single gesture or voice command, the glass can tint itself, become a digital display, or transform into a privacy shade. A 55-inch 8K cinema screen rises from the dashboard silently, creating a theater-like environment right inside the lounge. Whether you're watching movies, checking navigation, or using Lexus Immersive Travel Mode, the screen feels cinematic and elegant. The entire lounge has this perfect balance of modern technology and soft, comforting luxury,
something Lexus has mastered for years. Moving deeper inside, you'll notice the kitchen isn't designed like a typical RV kitchen. It feels like a minimalist luxury apartment kitchen in Tokyo. All appliances are hidden behind seamless panels. No clutter, no visible buttons. With a single touch, the induction cooktop appears. Another panel reveals a premium micro oven. The refrigerator is built into the cabinet wall and disguised like part of the decor. There's a slide-out pantry, soft closed drawers, a filtered water dispenser, and ambient lighting that adjusts automatically depending on what you're doing. The countertop is a gorgeous stone composite with a floating edge that lights up subtly at night. Across from the kitchen sits a beautiful multi-use dining area that Lexus designed to adapt to any situation. The table can rise, drop, or rotate. The seats reshape themselves electronically to convert from dining chairs into lounge seats. And the entire wall next to it turns into a smart projection space for entertainment, recipes, or trip planning. It's flexible, elegant, and feels like something out of a luxury smart home. Now let's step into the bathroom. And trust me, this is where Lexus truly went wild. The sliding glass door opens to reveal a spa-like environment with soft diffused lighting and natural wood textures. The walk-in shower comes with 3 modes: rainfall, mist, and the signature Lexus Breeze, a calming airflow system that mimics natural wind. The floor tiles are heated, the vanity floats off the wall with hidden illumination, and the entire space smells of subtle Japanese hinoki wood fragrance thanks to the built-in aroma diffuser. A smart mirror with anti-fog and lighting presets completes the spa experience. It feels peaceful, it feels warm, it feels like a luxury hotel suite rather than a motorhome bathroom. But the true masterpiece lies at the back, the master bedroom. This is where the SkyHome absolutely stands out from every motorhome on the market. The queen-size bed is wrapped in Lexus's premium memory foam mattress, custom engineered for perfect comfort. Above, a starry sky LED ceiling creates a calm nighttime atmosphere. But the showstopper is the full-length panoramic rear window that lets you wake up to nature as if it's part of your room. Whether it's mountains, oceans, or forests, the view is unforgettable. The room includes soft ambient floor lighting, built-in surround speakers, a reading nook, a full wardrobe system, and a hidden media unit with wireless charging pads and climate controls. Everything is soft, intentional, and soothing. Lexus didn't design this bedroom to look like an RV bedroom. They designed it to look like a luxury suite inside a 5-star hotel. Throughout the SkyHome, Lexus's smart Zen control system allows you to manage everything with gestures, voice commands, or a touchscreen panel. Lighting, temperature, window tint, entertainment, slide-outs, and even the scent diffusers are all customizable. It's intuitive, elegant, and extremely user-friendly, exactly what you'd expect from Lexus. So what makes the 2026 Lexus SkyHome RV so special? It's the combination of Lexus craftsmanship, smart technology, and a peaceful spa-like design that turns every journey into a calming, luxurious experience. It's not loud, it's not aggressive, it's not cluttered. It's pure, sophisticated Lexus luxury, but on wheels. And now I want to hear from you. If you had the chance to travel anywhere in the SkyHome RV, where would your first road trip be? The mountains, the coast, a cross-country adventure? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your dream destination. The 2026 Lexus SkyHome RV is more than just a motorhome. It's a vision of the future. A future where travel isn't just about reaching a place, it's about enjoying every single moment of the journey. If you want more deep dives into the world's most luxurious motorhomes, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to DriveX Media. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.